Good morning students, myself UK Singh, science teacher at ISL Monindi Dhanbad. Today we will going to continue with the same chapter that is chapter 13, sound. Okay, the next topic is the sound needs a medium for its propagation. Okay, sound needs medium for its propagation. How can the sound get propagated? For it needs a medium which it can include air, water and gas. Okay, that means in the absence of any sort any sort of medium like vacuum, sound will not travel and it can be felt. Okay, even sound can travel through solids also. Okay, as you can see, there are different experiments that are given here. That is, sound can travel in water also, through solid also. Okay, and as well as through uh, air also, as we are familiar with that term. Okay, whenever somebody tells or give an instruction, okay, so we all talk through with each other, and the sound wave travels through the air. Okay, so air is the most common medium. Apart from this, liquid as well as solid are the medium through which sound can travel. So these are known as the different mediums. Okay, now how can we hear the sound? So we hear sound through our ears. Okay, so ear is a organ which consists of different parts. The outer part is known as pinnae, then the auditory canal, and then the eardrum. The ear inside the eardrum consists of ear ossicles. Okay, these are the three small bones of ears called malleus, incus and staples, and through which it increases the intensity of the sound, through which sound can travel to the inner part of the ear and is felt in the form through the auditory nerve in our brain. Okay, so this is all about the hearing, the process of hearing, the different parts of the ear, as you can see in the diagram. Okay, and next is the amplitude, time period and frequency. So the to and fro motion of an object called vibration, this portion is also known as oscillatory motion. Okay, so the number of oscillation per second is known as frequency. Okay, that number of times the oscillation that has taken place. Frequency is usually expressed in hertz. A frequency of hertz is 1 oscillation per second. That means 1 oscillation per second. Okay, frequency, the number of times the oscillation has taken place. Okay, we can recognize many types of familiar sound around us. So amplitude and frequency are the two different things. Okay, amplitude means the individual wave that has been traveling. Okay, and frequency means the number of times the oscillation taken place. Amplitude about a particular oscillation. Okay, and frequency means the number of times the oscillation had took place, how many times the number of oscillation has taken place. The loudness of a sound depends upon its amplitude. When amplitude of the vibration is large, the sound produced is large. When amplitude is small, the sound produces feeble. Okay, feeble. The frequency determines the shrillness or pitch of the sound. Okay, when we say the frequency is higher, that means the sound is shrill, sharp. If the frequency is lower, then it says that it is low pitch or hoarse kind of sound. For example, the drum vibrates with low frequency, therefore it produces a low pitch sound, whereas in case of some instrument like guitar and sitar, okay, the sound is high pitch. Why? Because it vibrates with high frequency. Okay, audible and inaudible sounds. Some sounds are audible, which can be heard, and some sounds are very slow, which cannot be heard. Okay, so we can hear sound within certain limit. So for human, the normal range of audible frequency is 20 to 20,000 kilohertz. Okay, 20 to 20,000 kilohertz. Sorry, I beg your pardon, is 20 to 20,000 hertz. Okay, 20 to 20,000 hertz. Okay, below it or above it we cannot hear the sound. Okay, however the definition of hertz is also given. The sounds of frequency less than 20 vibration per second, or is known as 20 hertz. Okay, noise and music. So it is all about the pleasantness of a sound. When the sound is pleasant, then it's said to be musical, and the sound is harsh, it is harsh, then it is said to be a noise. It all depends person to person and perspective to perspective. Okay, that doesn't mean for a particular person that for a particular person, if certain sound is musical, for the other person the same yardstick cannot be applied. Okay, for that person the sound may be of noise type. Okay, so noise and music are two different things, also depend upon the people perspective. Okay, however within certain limit is known as noise pollution is a kind of pollution which affects our body. Okay, it affects our system physiology, like our cardiovascular system, auditory system, and respiratory system. Okay, person having high blood pressure and hypertension should abstain from the places where noise pollution is there. Okay, old age person and the ill person should abstain from noise pollution. There are certain method to reduce noise pollution, like planting trees and other kind of equipments around your house, like mufflers. Mufflers are the kind of instruments which are used to reduce sound pollution. After you get the video, the link, the class group will be open for all of you to ask your doubts. Thank you.